All right, so here's just a little tutorial on how to make the corker ribbon. You'll need at least a 3/8 of an inch gross grain ribbon. I am also going to be using a slightly smaller one. This one is 1/8 of an inch. You can use dowel rods, or I'm using materials I have here. I have one dowel rod, and I also have these wooden sticks that come in your fiber fill to help stuff. Whatever size you use, that will kind of help determine what size your corker will be. I'm using wooden clothesline clips, and then I have my pan, and I covered it in foil just because I use this for cooking, and who knows what could be on the other side, no matter how good I clean it. So don't want to get that on my ribbon. So what you need to do to start is we're going to wrap our ribbon around our wooden stick. And you'll need to clip it in place with your clothespin. And we're just going to securely wrap it all the way down. And none of mine is overlapping. It's all right up next to each other. And when we get down to the bottom, we'll cut it and secure it with another clothespin. And this does taper off at the end, but that's okay. So we'll cut it and clip it in place like that. And this will just go on our sheet. And we're going to do that with our other ribbons. And what I've already done is I have set the oven to 275 degrees, and it is preheating right now. And when that's ready and when we're done, we will go put them in the oven. So these corkers are going to be a little skinny, but that's okay. I like to use materials I have on hand. And we have that one. And then lastly, I've got this ribbon. It's, like I said, it's 1/8 of an inch, but it is gross grain, so it should do the exact same thing. We're going to wrap it along this wooden stick. And I'm actually going to stick it way up in there because right there actually might be. Oh, nope, we got it. Okay. This is going to be really cute, super tight corkscrew. So what I'm doing is I'm actually kind of just rotating it up and not very close together. Then I kind of pull it and push it down. And now this, this tutorial is for our cat toy, but you can use these in any of your projects. I've seen them in like hair bows. That's the main place I've seen these corkscrew ribbons used. There we go. So I am not going to take my camera down to my kitchen. I am going to leave it here. I'm going to go put these in the oven at 275 degrees for 25 minutes. And when they're done, pull them out, let it cool down, and then I will bring them back to you. All right, we're back. They were in the oven at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And we let them cool down. And then you can take these off. And you have your corkscrew ribbon. Now what I would do is, you don't have to do it on the side you're stitching into your project, but on the side that will be out towards like where the cat will be playing or whatever project, you want to take like a lighter and you just want to burn this. It actually melts it, and that will prevent fraying. This is the fun part, the big reveal. Just kind of loosen it up. Pull it off. And there's our, and you know, they can get a little bit of tension, pull, and then they come back. There it is. Now you can make your own corkscrew ribbons for all your projects.